How to log into IMO. Want to log back into your IMO account? This guide shows you how to log into IMO so you can get back to chatting with your friends and family. First, open the IMO app on your iPhone. You'll see the login screen where you can enter your phone number. Remember, IMO does not support login email or either social media accounts, so your phone number is the only way to log in. Enter the phone number that you used to create your account. Make sure you also select the correct country code. Once you've entered your phone number, tap on Next or Done to proceed. A verification code will be sent to your number. IMO will send a new verification code to your iPhone via SMS. Enter this code in the app and log into your account. You'll be logged in and taken into your chats. It's a quick and secure way to log into your account. You now know how to log into IMO. Get ready to start chatting. Like and subscribe for more iPhone app tips.